Hey y'all. I'm trying to make this quick before my niece get here. I know she finna be playing all up in the doll room and stuff, playing in the dollhouse. So I'm trying to hurry up before she get here. She gonna want my attention. Didn't even know she was coming till a few minutes ago. Hey y'all. Get these addresses and stuff off of here. Alright. And I think we are good to go. No box opening with him. He's not even wrapped in a blanket. He only got just this stuff over his head. So this is gonna be a quick video. Quick little live. Quicker than I thought. So let's see. Some of y'all might remember him if y'all be on Facebook and stuff. But I don't have a name for him. He got a couple little boo-boos. But he's cute. I don't know if y'all can see, like, the side of his face. And I don't think I remember even knowing about these boo-boos. Maybe I did. I don't know. It's been so long. But just looks like he's a boy who likes to play and hurt himself. But he got on his little Nike outfit. I don't mind boo-boo babies as long as the boo-boos are to a minimum. But see, y'all can get a close-up look at him. And then we're gonna take his pants and stuff off to see. I haven't had a Vito in my collection in a long time. He's my second one. Wish I would have kept my first one, but now I know. Oh, he also got some like boo-boos and stuff right here. But by the way that they feel, I don't think they're gonna like go anywhere anytime soon, like do any peeling or anything. I guess these are supposed to be like little moles. But let me finish taking off his pants. I know he could definitely use like a little bit more painting and stuff. So I might touch him up later on down the road. Maybe add like some reds and stuff to his hands. Because they just look plain. His feet look plain too. So I might fix him up later on. Maybe this summer when I'm on break. But other than that, he's very cute. Definitely a keeper. But what y'all think about him?